Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add yellow color highlights to your PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element. Now click on this comment option, this menu bar, and this is highlight icon. Click here. Now select here this yellow color and increase or decrease color opacity. Now drag your mouse cursor and select your text your that yellow color and see this. And this properties box, here also you can see this color opacity and see this. Also I'll add color here as another kinds of yellow color and see this. Also you can add custom yellow color. Click here this color icon and select here more color option as custom, define custom color. There are many kinds of yellow color. Here you can select, add this one and select OK and see this. In this way you can add yellow color highlight on your PDF file. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.